Today, here at Tees Components, we're celebrating final commissioning of a brand new machine. We've invested in a second Hyundai Weir CNC horizontal borer supplied by Ward CNC of Sheffield, and we are carrying out the official launching today. This machine, size-wise, it sits in the mid-range of our horizontal borers, so we have a large suite of small to very large CNC horizontal boring capacity. This machine is about mid-range in that capacity, and it really just gives us a great deal more precision and accuracy and reliability in what we're doing. It just means that we can offer our clients that bit more reliability and accuracy that they're looking for.
TW Ward, we're really pleased that we were selected as part of the process when Sharon was looking, and Tees Components were looking for additional capacity at the end of last year. We have an existing machine already on site. So to be involved, it was still going through the selection process, and we put forward a competitive technical and commercial package. The project management side was very much TW Ward's, although the foundations were installed by Tees Components. Two teams have come together and worked very closely for a successful installation.
A business like Tees Components is going from strength to strength. It's continuing to win business, it's continuing to invest in its people, and with the new horizontal boring machine, it's continuing to invest in its future. So it's a shining example of what we should be striving to achieve for all of our businesses across the Tees Valley: good quality, advanced manufacturing businesses that look after local people.
At Tees Components, we can handle components of up to 70 tonnes, so we have a very large CNC machine shop. This machine in particular is ideally suited for metal components of different materials, different alloys, fabrications, castings, and typically we'll be carrying out work for the defence sector, particularly marine defence, oil and gas, renewables, power generation generally, and bringing in the 55 years of expertise that we have in the machine shop floor.